Hey guys, welcome back to the biggest automation video library, and here we try to solve the problems which slows down your business process and you're working by the help of automation. And here in this video I would like to show an automation by which you can record payment details in Google Sheets and send confirmation messages of those payments on WhatsApp account of your customers automatically. Yes guys, and the message that we are sending here will look something like this. You can see here it is saying, hello Abhishek, this is a confirmation that we have just received your secure online payment, and this is the amount, and this is the kind of message that we are going to send. And the flow of our automation will look something like this. Let me show you. So guys, whenever we receive a payment here with any of our payment link, here we have taken the example of Instamojo, which is a payment gateway application to create a payment link. Okay, so as and when you receive a payment here, the details of the payment and the customer will be saved here in a new row in Google Sheets automatically. And guys, the WhatsApp message of the confirmation will get automatically delivered to the person who have made the payment. And guys, the only issue here is that there is no direct connection present between these three applications. So guys, generally you have to perform this task manually. So for that problem, we are using a automation software here called as Pabbly Connect, which will connect these three applications together such that whenever you receive a payment, the details of the payment will be saved here in Google Sheet automatically, as well as the WhatsApp's confirmation will get delivered automatically. And guys, the best part of creating this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any non-technical person can also perform this automation. So now let me show you on my screen that how you can also create this automation. So guys, now you can see on my computer screen I am in my Instamojo's dashboard, and here I have created the payment links for the products that I'm selling online. Okay, so you can see here this person Raja Kumari has purchased our product through this payment link that I have created with the help of Instamojo, and this was the purpose of the payment. She has purchased an antivirus. Okay, and as and when she purchased this product, we capture the details of this same purchase automatically and saved here in my Google Sheet here like this. You can see the name of the person, the email address, the contact number, and the payment amount. Okay, and also as she purchased this product, a confirmation message on the WhatsApp account of this person goes like this automatically, and it is showing here, hello Raja Kumari, this is a confirmation that we have just received your secure online payment. The amount is this. Don't hesitate to contact us for any questions or concerns. And this is the kind of message she has received. Okay, so this is how it is going to happen in real time, guys. Now let me show you the process by which you can also create this automation. So guys, the first step to create this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard, which is this. Okay, and guys, I have pasted a link in the description by which you can reach the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect trial account. After that, you can sign in and reach on this dashboard. Okay, and from here you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button like this, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow also. So let me fill the name here. So guys, I have filled the name here as record details in Google Sheets and send confirmation messages on WhatsApp on Instamojo payment. Okay, and now you can click here on this create button, and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay, and on this page, the first two things you will find here is this, the trigger and the action. So guys, our automation work on this trigger and action. So the trigger says when this happens, that means when any event occurs, then what will happen, this action will happen, and this action will say Pabbly Connect do this. All right. So for every trigger, Pabbly Connect will perform a certain action automatically. Okay, so first of all, we have to set our trigger here. As you can see in our use case, the trigger would be receiving of payment or purchasing of product from our Instamojo payments link. Okay, so first of all, you have to set this trigger here from this trigger window and from this choose app field, you have to choose the trigger application, which is Instamojo, guys. Okay, so from where you have created the payment link. Okay, so select this application from here like this, and then it will ask for the trigger event. So our trigger event would be a new sale. Okay, so you can read here, it triggers when a new sale or successful payment is done. Okay, so select this option and it will generate this URL. So this is called as a webhook URL, and with the help of this we are going to connect our trigger application first with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can follow these steps to connect your application, and we are connecting the application so that we can capture the details of any payment or purchase happening from our payment link to here in Pabbly Connect first. And after that we are going to use the same details that we are capturing here to send the confirmation message and to record the data in Google Sheet. Okay, so you can follow these steps. You can see you have to log into your Instamojo, and if you have products created there, you can click on the products. All right, so let me show you the process. First of all, you have to click on this copy button. Okay, and as you copy this URL, it will start showing this waiting for the webhooks response. Okay, so go to your Instamojo's dashboard, and right now I do not have products created here, but I can create a payment link. So to create a payment link, you have to click here on this create new button, and from here you have to create a payment link by clicking on create link. Okay, and here I'm choosing this smart link option so that I can connect this link with Pabbly Connect. So here it is asking purpose of payment, so you can put the purpose here like the name of your product. So let's say I'm selling a ring light, so I'm putting here for ring light. Okay, and I'm placing flat pricing for this product, and let's say the price of product is 10 rupees for now. Okay, and now you have to click here on this customize link button, and from this page you can customize this link by clicking here. You can add the description of this payment link, you can add the image to this link. Okay, you can select any image, you can select the image of your product. Okay, you can change the color of the link as well. Okay, and from this smart actions tab, click on smart actions, and here you will find this add webhook button. So click on this add webhook button and this field will appear. So here you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied here from Pabbly Connect. Okay, so paste this URL here in this field like this. Okay, and then click on done here, and you can see your payment link is ready now. And guys, you can see in Pabbly Connect, as I have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhooks response. This means now we have to do a test submission, or we have to do a test payment or a demo payment from this link that we have just created, so that we can capture the details of the payment happening here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so that we can create this automation. So I am going to open the link from here by clicking on this copy. I'm copying the link and opening the payment link here in a new tab. Okay, and here I'm going to put the details of the customer as this. Let's say this person is doing the payment, she is purchasing this ring light. Okay, so I'm putting the email address here too. Okay, like this. And the phone number also. Okay, and here I am clicking on next, and from here I can complete, or the customer can complete the payment through these options. So let me complete the payment here. So here you can see the payment is successful, is showing up here. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if the details of this payment got captured or not. So here you can see in Pabbly Connect the details of the payment is captured like this. Okay, it is showing the status as successful. It is generated at payment ID here, and it is showing us the currency, the amount. Okay, but guys, it is not showing us the details of the customer. It is not showing us who have made this payment. Okay, so we can get the full details of our customer as well. For that, what you have to do, you have to use this action step now, and from this action step I'm going to connect Instamojo again, and with the help of an action event we are going to fetch the complete details of the customer. Okay, so now from this actions tab, you have to choose Instamojo again. Okay, and here in this action event, you have to select get payment details option. So it is showing us it retrieves the details of a payment ID. Okay, so click on this option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection option, and here it will ask for this private API key and the authorization token. So guys, you will find these two things in the API and the plugin section of Instamojo account. You can read it here. So let me show you. So guys, this is my Instamojo's dashboard. I am going back to my dashboard, and here on the left hand side you can see we have these tabs, and we have this API and plugins tab here. So click on this tab, and here you can see we have this private API key, the token as well. Okay, so first of all, copy this private key first and paste it here in this private API key field like this, and then go back to the dashboard, and from this token option copy the token as well and paste the token back here in Pabbly Connect in this field. Okay, like this. Then just click on save here, and you can see now we are connected with Instamojo again, and here it is asking for the payment ID. So guys, you can see in the first tab where we have captured the details of the payment, it has generated a payment ID for us, which is this. So I'm going to use this same ID to get the complete details of the customer also. So what you have to do, you just have to map this payment ID here in this tab. So to do that, click on this field, and here you will find in this drop down Instamojo new sale option. Click on it, and here you'll find this payment ID, map it like this. Okay, and then click on save and send test request here, and let's wait for a few moments, and you can see now that we got the details, and here you can see we have the details of the buyer as the buyer name, the phone number of the buyer, and the email address as well. Okay, so this is how it is going to happen. Now what we want to add the same person, the details of this same person as a record in our spreadsheet that I have created here in Google Sheet. And also we are going to send a confirmation message to this person for the payment she has done. Okay, so first let's record the details. Okay, so for that you have to click here on this plus icon, and from this from this actions tab you have this choose app field. From here you have to search for your application, which is Google Sheets. Okay, so this is Google Sheets we have where we want to record the details. Okay, so here it is asking for the action event. So the event that we want to perform is add a new row in our spreadsheet. Okay, and in that row we will have the details. So click on connect here, and from this window select add new connection, and then click on connect with Google Sheets. Okay, and from this window it will ask for the Gmail account by which you have created that spreadsheet, by which the Google Sheet application is actually connected. So here it is, this is the Gmail account, I have selected it. Now give the required access to send the data to Google Sheet. Click on continue here. Okay, and you can see the authorization is getting successful here, and in a few moments will be connected with Google Sheet like this. Okay, and here it is asking select your spreadsheet. So when you click here in this drop down, you will find all the spreadsheets that you have created in your Google Sheets application. And guys, the spreadsheet I am using is this one. You can see this one, and the name of this spreadsheet is Instamojo sales. So I'm going to select this spreadsheet from this drop down. So let me type Instamojo sales. Okay, so you can see I have this option, select the sheet, and you can see I have selected the spreadsheet, and in this spreadsheet I have this only one sheet here, sheet 1. So it got automatically selected here. Okay, and now it is asking for the name, the email, the contacts, and the payment amount. So guys, these are nothing but the columns I have in my spreadsheet: name, emails, contacts, and the payment amount. So that's why it is asking the same details here. So now I am going to use the details that we captured here in the first and the second step. Okay, and I'm going to map the details here in this Google Sheets step. Okay, so to map the name, just click here on this field and you will find both of these previous steps here. So click on this second option where we have collected the whole details of the customer, and here you will find the customer's name like this. So click on it to map it. And for the email, follow the same process, go to the second option and from here map the email. For the contact number also follow the same process and find the contact number to map it like this. And for the payment amount, you can use this first step. In the first step we have the payment amount, so just map it like this. Okay, and okay, so we are done here. Now click here on save and send test request to check if the connection of your Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect is working properly or not, and the data is going to your sheet or not. So I'm clicking here on save and send test request here, and this test details that we are using, you can see I think it got transferred. Let's check in spreadsheet. Okay, and you can see in the spreadsheet another row is added here with the following details. You can see Harsha Yadav, the email, and all these things. So connection with Google Sheet is working properly. Now at the last, we want to send the confirmation message to this person also that your payment is successful and all those things. For that, what you have to do, you have to click on this plus icon here, and another actions tab will open up. And from this choose app field, we are going to choose another application which is called 360 Dialog. This one, WhatsApp by 360 Dialog. So guys, why we are using another application? Because to send messages on WhatsApp directly, we need to have the access of WhatsApp's API. So 360 Dialog is an application which have the official access to WhatsApp's API. So by using this application, we can send messages on WhatsApp directly. Okay. And now here in this action event, you have to select send template message option. And now you have to click on this connect button. And from this window, if you are making the connection with 360 Dialog for the first time, you have to select this add new connection option here. Okay, and for the first time it will ask for these two things, the API key and the domain name. Okay, so you have to go to your 360 Dialog account to get these two things. So let me show you my 360 Dialog account, guys. So this is my 360 Dialog account. If you want to set up your own 360 Dialog account, guys, I suggest you to use the link that we have pasted in the description, so that you can avail the services of 360 Dialog in much lesser prices than the usual ones they offer you, with the help of our link that I have pasted in the description. Okay, so do check that link. And after setting up your account, you will find this page here in your account, and here you will find this button showing you generate API key. So by clicking on this button, you can generate your own key, and after that copy that key and paste it here in API key field in Pabbly Connect. And while generating the key, you will find this domain which will look like this link. Okay, and you have to copy that link also and paste it here in the domain field. After that, you have to click on save and you'll be connected. So guys, generating this API key from 360 Dialog account is one-time task only. Once you got your key generated, you can use the same key to make the connection afterwards also with Pabbly Connect. Okay, and making the connection for the first time like this process is also a one-time process. Once you made a connection with by this process, the next time you can use this existing connection option. Okay, so I have already made a connection with 360 Dialog by this process. So I can choose now select existing connection option, and now I just have to click on save and will be connected with 360 Dialog. No need to generate the API key and fill it here again. Okay, like this. Okay, now guys, you can see it is asking us for the template. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you what templates are. So I'm going to my 360 Dialog again, and guys, here in this page you can see we have this manage templates button, and here I have all the templates created and approved here in 360 Dialog. So let me tell you what templates are. First of all, let me open up the template I'm using, which is this. Let me show you. Payment update, this one. Okay, so guys, you can see here The templates are nothing but the standard messages that we want to send to our customers or to anyone on WhatsApp, right? So guys, to prevent spamming, you need to create such message standard message templates here first in 360 Dialog. After that, you can use them to send messages. Let me show you the process of creating the template. So you just have to click here on this add template button like this. Okay, and here you can give the name to your template. You can select the categories they give you according to your need. Okay, you can select the language in which you are sending the messages. You can have two type of templates here, the standard with text only or media and interactive where you can send images also. Okay, and here in this body field, body box, you have to type the main message along with the body fields or the variables, and then you have to click here on preview and submit, and your message template will be submitted. After submitting the template, what will happen? WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook, will review your template and approve your template. So the standard time of template approval, they say, is 30 minutes to 48 hours, but in real time it take only 45 minutes to 1.5 hours to got a template approved. So once you got your templates approved like these I have, you can use them to send messages. Okay, and let me tell you one thing more about these templates. Let me open my template here. And here you can notice in this template, I have this 1 in double curly braces, 2 and 3. So guys, these are called the body fields or the variables of the message template. As you can see here in this place, after hello, I'm going to address the person. I'm going to put the name of the person to whom I'm sending the message. So the name of that person is going to change with every new message, right? Because we are going to send this message to many different people. So the name will be different each time and the amount will differ. And here you can put the name of your product or your team or your company. That can remain constant, but if you have more than one team or one company, that can also differ. So you have to put these body fields in your message necessarily for the things you want to change with every new message. Okay, and how they are going to change with every new message? Because we are going to map the values of these body fields here in Pabbly Connect. Let me show you how. So first of all, let us select our template from this template field. Okay, so it will show you all the approved templates you have in your 360 Dialog, and the template I am using here is this payment update. Okay, so select the template, and after selecting the template, this namespace field and the language code get automatically filled up. And here are the body fields that I'm talking about. Okay, so first of all, enter the recipient mobile number. Okay, so here you have to put the WhatsApp number in this field to whom you want to send the message. So as you already know that we capture the details of our customer here in the second step and the first step. Okay, and here you can see in this second step we got the details along with the phone number also. Okay, so I'm going to use this phone number only to send the message. Okay, so come back to your WhatsApp step and click on this recipient mobile number field, and here you will find these options, and from these options map the mobile number, and here you have to put the mobile number in this format with the plus sign and the country code. So I do not have the plus sign here. Let me put a plus sign and the country code also. Okay, right? And here are the body fields that I am talking about, which are the variables we have in message template. So we are going to map the values of these body fields so that it can change automatically in every new message. Okay, so for the body field 1, I'm going to map the name of the customer, which is this. For the body field 2nd, okay, I'm going to enter the amount, which you will find from this first tab. Okay, and in the body field 3, you can manually put the name of your company or your team. So I'm putting here Team Pabbly for now. Okay, and now when you click here on save and send test request, we can test if the message is delivering on WhatsApp or not. Okay, so I'm clicking here on save and send test request, and let's check. Okay, so it is taking a few moments here, and you can see we got this response here below. Now let's check in the WhatsApp. Okay, so we have received a new message, and the message is this: hello Arshaya, this is a confirmation that we have just received your online secure payment. The amount is this. Don't hesitate to contact us. Okay, so connection is working fine with WhatsApp also. We have tested it and our workflow is completed. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So guys, first of all, in this trigger, I connected my trigger application, which was Instamojo. After that, I collected the details like this, and after that, in this actions tab, I connected Instamojo again to got the complete details of my customer as well. After that, we use the same details to send as a record in our spreadsheet, which I created in Google Sheet application. So we connected Google Sheets here, map the details to be sent, and send the details like this. After that, in another actions tab, I connected 360 Dialog application to send messages on WhatsApp, selected our template and mapped the body fields like this, and checked our connection by clicking on save and send test request. Okay, so now you just have to click on save. And guys, you can use this same workflow, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start using this automation instantly. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you got any query regarding our business automation, you can ask and discuss your queries from this forum. And guys, if you want to check the pricing of this application, you can use this link. And if our automations are helping you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.